back. You're watching the Acetech Design Wall 2014. In the final segment of the show, you will get a chance to witness the second jury round. Experts from the construction industry evaluated the presenters and products on the basis of the various parameters. Here's a look. The second jury session of the Acetech Design Wall took place in the evening and was a grand affair. The latest technologies and innovations by Indian international companies were exhibited and vetted by the jury members. The manufacturers of the products made presentations highlighting the pros and cons of the new products they were planning to introduce into the market. The jury had their job cut out as they had to screen through the products to select the showstopper that would adorn the digital design wall at the ET Acetech event to be held later this year.
I was extremely impressed this year. The kind of presentations that I saw of new materials is amazing. A lot of new materials done very professionally, and I thought that the jury was such a broad spectrum of people. I was amazed. I'm very happy to see that. So I think the materials which have come over here are amazingly new materials. I think we're going to see a great exhibition with new items coming into the marketplace. I think with the construction industry going to boom, Chendinare. So I think we're going to see a difference in terms of new materials where these people will showcase what India needs most.
For me, it was a fantastic experience. It is the first time I have been on the jury. And even in our busy schedule, we don't get to see so many products and so many innovations in one shot. So what I would have spent doing this in 6 months, I have been able to do that exactly in 1.5 hours. So I think it's a fantastic concept and a fantastic idea to bring, developers and so many products together.
Yeah, it's been an interesting experience being here at the Design Wall. It's a rare opportunity to get to see many different products, many innovations that have been developed in the last few years at one shot, available in, say, a span of 2 hours. And so a quick compressed tour of what's happening in the industry in terms of the innovative work done by different product manufacturers, different suppliers. So overall, it's been a very good and interesting experience.
It's a very evolved experience. You got all the peers from both architects and developers. It was more fun. The format was perfect. Okay, maybe the presentations should be smaller, but the whole process of the present AV followed by a short bullet talk, a Q&A, and simultaneously samples going around gave us a much better touch and feel and a holistic experience of how we could actually apply it in our own industry. So in that terms, it was also mutually useful for us. There's probably 3 or 4 products I would investigate tomorrow.
It's quite nice, new innovative products are there, and year after year I'm seeing it improving. And in fact, I met quite a lot of suppliers and manufacturers. They are finding this as a very special platform to introduce their products. Sometimes they wait for a time so that they can introduce their new products. And in fact, every architects and these people eyes are onto such kind of a products which are coming in this kind of a show. And we hope so now in coming show, at full extent we'll be able to see all that.
The reason I'm in the industry is because of events like this. There's so much innovation, there's so much change. It's just so fascinating to see what people can come up with and what's next for the building industry and how we're making it better, smarter, more comfortable for people to use. It's just fascinating to be part of an event such as this.
I think this time's product range, I was happy to see more and more Indian manufacturers are now competing with the foreign manufacturers, and that I think will be more helpful in near future.
The participants in this year's Design Wall showcased their creations in a specially erected exhibit area. Let's show you a few glimpses of the same. The top brands were given an opportunity to showcase their products in a special area created within the jury round venue. The latest technologies and innovations by Indian international companies were exhibited here in 22 different categories, ranging from tiles and ceramics to water technologies to safety, security and fire protection. All the products featured in both the jury sessions were given a chance to leave a lasting impression on the judges. It truly was a colourful and spectacular sight to behold.
I think there were several products, and I think the major difference I think this time was the fact that we were getting innovation in every type of material. So whether it was a paint, whether it was a tile, whether it was ceramics or equipment, I think in all the fields that we saw innovation taking place.
I saw some nice kind of cabins, which is temporary structures on site, which can be converted into sales office and other things, which we always developers, we try to find out such kind of things, and we are constantly in need. Another thing is that some constant floorings outdoors and exteriors, which are really nice and withstand with all kind of temperatures and atmospheres.
There's a lot of innovation in electronics, in lighting design. Lighting is a key component of how we live, so it's fascinating to see the new, very sustainable lighting designs coming out with LED lights, and it's good for the planet, but it's also good for us to live.
Acetec Design Wall 2014 has been an exhilarating experience for all the stakeholders present. It has set the benchmark of new and innovative products for the building and construction industry and opened up a whole host of new opportunities. On that positive note, this is a wrap on the special edition of the Acetec Design Wall Jury Round. Goodbye.